Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Desi full guide. Begin by gathering whole milk, ghee, a reliable yogurt starter, and clean utensils, then sanitize your pan and thermometer. Warm the milk gently to the right temperature, cool slightly, and add the starter. Keep the mixture in a warm, stable place until set into thick Desi consistency, and strain if you want firmer texture. Follow this simple process with care and patience. Heat milk slowly over low heat until it reaches a gentle simmer, then cool it to the starter temperature. Stir in the yogurt starter evenly and transfer to an insulated container to maintain warmth. Let it ferment undisturbed until it sets into creamy Desi, then refrigerate to firm up the texture. Taste and adjust salt or ghee for your preferred richness. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes in the kitchen without worrying about spills or glare, and it stores thousands of cookbooks for easy access. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once your Desi is set, skim malai for extra richness or use it to make ghee later, and stir in any desired spices or salt. Pack the Desi into clean airtight containers to preserve freshness and prevent odors. Keep refrigerated and consume within a week, or freeze small portions for longer storage, thawing slowly in the fridge to maintain texture and flavor. Always use clean utensils to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.